Alright, so we're going to make this short and sweet. We're going to check out the Galaxy Z Fold 7 to see what are the differences from this year versus last year, if there's any improvement, if it's worth buying in that hefty price tag, because you know it's about to be one. So we're going to check out this video real quick. Subscribe if you're new. Always hit that like button on the video if you're new or returning. It's the best way that I and YouTube knows you guys like this content. Without any further ado, let's get into it.
The biggest breakthroughs are made when hardware, software, and services challenge each other to grow. And we are excited to embrace this challenge.
I love this
Galaxy Z Fold 7 and Z Flip 7 represent the pinnacle of our innovation.
It's almost like
this is more than just a new flip or fold. These foldables are setting a new bar and taking multi-phone experiences to another dimension with our most powerful, transformative hardware.
That thing looks super thin.
Galaxy AI translates your word into actions, and our latest camera sees, understands, and responds to you.
As far as the thinness.
Now, the Ultra experience is ready to unfold.
Oh yeah, they did say that. So maybe they're combining some stuff. I think it's supposed to be thinner. It looks thinner. You know what's funny? They never talk about the crease during these videos. Never mention the crease. Act like it just don't exist. So that camera bump is huge. Okay, we got some, but it looks super thin. Oh my gosh. I'm sure that music's copyrighted as well. Nice visuals.
This is not just another fold.
I knew it. The thinnest and lightest.
From components to structure and materials, this device rewrites the rules for what a foldable phone can be. Ultra sleek and ultra powerful. It is the ultimate expression of our craftsmanship. In a phone where every gram and every millimeter matters, Galaxy Z Fold 7 pushes boundaries and sets a new standard. Your smartphone must be a companion, capable of understanding context, anticipating intent, supporting you in real time, and adapting to your lifestyle. You need a device that is powerful, with high quality performance, and the ability to deliver AI features that elevate your life.
And combined with a dual rail structure made of high-strength material, the hinge is protected from separating, even upon impact, creating a droplet-shaped curve and optimizing Galaxy Z Fold 7's capacity for a more resilient display. Framed in advanced armor aluminum with Corning Gorilla Glass Ceramic 2 on the cover screen, Galaxy Z Fold 7 is sleek but built tough. We optimize the space to fit an efficient battery that powers all-day use. Galaxy Z Fold 7 boasts a pro-grade wide camera with a smaller module that houses a larger sensor, allowing you to take 200-megapixel high-resolution shots.
By the Snapdragon 8 Elite for Galaxy, engineered for next-level performance. On the Galaxy Z Fold 7, you can expand or collapse the editing view across multiple layers, while still seeing the full picture to adjust and fine-tune your video right from your phone.
Cover screen 21 by 9, 6.5 inches. The main screen looks like that's 8 inches, 20 by 18. 12 megapixel ultra wide, 200 megapixel wide, and 10 megapixel telephoto. Okay. The field of view is a lot better, I guess. Android 16, Google Gemini, of course, One UI 8, Galaxy AI, the Now Brief, more security. The Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Elite for Galaxy, so same chip. Supposedly better and reinforced hinge, Arma aluminum, ceramic 2 glass, IP48. Storage options are the same. The battery is 4,400 milliamps. Thought it was going to be bigger, but hey, it is what it is. All right.
Powerful device, unfolded. It's our thinnest fold,
it is thin
made
too.
Just
That's a good,
for you.
a good deal. How much is this thing? 2,000
Galaxy
again?
Z Fold 7 will be available for pre-order starting today.
Okay.
With the full lineup launching on July 25th.
Usually
Pricing starts at $1,999.
Again, mortgage price.
And it comes in blue shadow, jet black, silver shadow, with an exclusive mint color.
Options, black, blue, or they're calling it shadow now. So jet black, blue shadow, silver shadow, and mint. Basic colors. Like, give us some crazy colors, dude. These are so basic, man. Alright, so that's the Z Fold 7. But overall, I think the Z Fold 7, I think it looks pretty cool. I mean, the price is, I think, is about the same, 2,000 bucks. I'm pretty sure if you swing over to Amazon website right now, there's stipulations to it, obviously. But if you have a newer iPhone, like the iPhone 16 Pro Max or the Galaxy S25 Ultra, I don't know why you would trade that, but it is what it is. You can get about 1,000 bucks taken off this phone. So it's 2,000. You're looking at about 1,000 before tax. If you did the reservation, then you can get another $50 towards the phone. So you're looking at about 950 bucks, but then you would have to buy Samsung Care, which is the insurance basically, and that's about 10 to 13 bucks a month. And then there's some accessories if you want the watch or the earbuds or whatever, but you're looking at over 1,000 bucks realistically with tax. And if you get some accessories, they usually give you a good amount of cases with a little credit. You're probably walking away with the phone, a case or 2 or 3 maybe, and if you want another accessory, who knows. But you're probably going to spend about 1,100 to 1,200 bucks after tax with a trade-in. Still a lot of money. That's just the price of phones now, and this is a flagship phone, so it is what it is. That trade-in deal definitely helps out, but if they offer that so much, like, why even price the phone at that price? If you got an older phone like iPhone 14 Pro Max, you can only get about 450 bucks for it. So it's not gonna really put too much of a damp in that or a dent in that price tag, but maybe you just change what you're looking for. But it's still a little pricey. So yeah, it is what it is. I think it's decent. I'm probably not gonna get it. I do have the Galaxy S25 Ultra. I'm very satisfied with this phone right now, so I'm gonna hold off on getting the Z Fold 7. I got the I had the 5. I didn't get the 6, and I'm not getting the 7. Who knows? Maybe next year it'll be better, but I'm holding off right now because I just got this Galaxy S25 Ultra. But anyways, all right.